Tarkett is a company founded in 1886.
It has around about 12,000 employees. We are world leaders in vinyl flooring and surface turf. Here at Tarkett Ronneby we produce around about 20 million square meters a year.
In our journey to be CO2 free, we exchange biomass boiler to electrical boiler with the effect that the price for per ton steam went up.
We need steam here in Ronneby to heat up the product of our production line. We have 60 steam traps. Steam traps' job is to evacuate condensated water.
With steam traps leaking, we will burn money, but we will also affect the environment.
We are a big site. We have areas hard to reach. For safety reasons, we are fencing in our lines, and then we looked for the concept of smart maintenance.
Before, my team needed to use a ladder to access the steam traps, but now with LOCTITE Pulse they can monitoring them by a computer or their smartphone.
It's important people is involved in the journey in smart maintenance because it's the people you have to convince. We have a smart maintenance meeting and we continuously talk about this type of maintenance that is pretty new for us. The moment I contacted Henkel, they reacted fast, and that's what we need.
LOCTITE was here and trained us how to mount the sensors, and with the training now we can mount the sensors ourselves.
We tested 20 sensors on steam traps. We had some incidents that convinced us to go full scale. LOCTITE Pulse is reliable, they listen to us. The app is easy to use and easy to find the problems and see what's going on.
You should see directly if it's working or not, and we feel that LOCTITE Pulse could provide us with that.
We're gonna get a return of investment in this 3 years partnership.
The value report was valuable to us because all management teams needs to see some kind of a return of investment. Here in Ronneby we opened their eyes for the rest of the Tarkett group to digitalize more. Our vision for the future is to go from reactive to more predictive maintenance.
I think Tarkett and Henkel share the same passion.
We are passionate about preventing problems before they occur.
So we have a good partnership with LOCTITE Pulse. They have a good product, good support, and it's easy to use.
I like the collaboration between LOCTITE Pulse and Tarkett. It's been smooth.
Listen to your equipment's heartbeat.